Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm sharing a simple and accurate pocket option 6 candle 1-minute trading strategy based on price action. We'll use the Zig Zag indicator to confirm signals, but for this to work effectively, the indicator must be set correctly. I've shared the best Zig Zag settings and detailed strategy information in the video description. Make sure to check it out after watching this video, because without the right settings, you won't get accurate confirmations. Disclaimer: trading binary options involves significant financial risk, and you can lose money. Past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Results may vary, and there is no guarantee of profit. Always trade responsibly, never risk money you can't afford to lose, and do your own research before making decisions. Now, let's break down this strategy step by step. Sell trade setup. Look for 4 consecutive bullish candles on the chart. The 5th candle should be bearish. At this moment, if the Zig Zag indicator is pointing upwards and positioned above the 5th candle, enter a sell trade on the 6th candle with a 1-minute expiry. If more than 4 bullish candles form before a bearish 5th candle appears, don't worry. I'll show you how to handle this later with live examples, so stay tuned. Buy trade setup. Look for 4 consecutive bearish candles on the chart. The 5th candle should be bullish. If the Zig Zag indicator is pointing downwards and positioned below the 5th candle, enter a buy trade on the 6th candle with a 1-minute expiry. For higher accuracy, take sell trades near resistance and buy trades near support. Use the 1-minute candle time frame and 1-minute trade expiry. The best trading hours: European and New York sessions. Avoid trading 30 minutes before and 45 minutes after high or medium impact news events. Enough theory. Let's test this strategy in real market conditions. I'll take live trades step by step so you can see how it works in action. Watch closely, follow the rules, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more powerful trading strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's dive into the live trading session and see this strategy in action. As you can see on the chart, 6 consecutive bearish candles have formed. Then, the 7th candle turned bullish. Right now, the Zig Zag indicator is pointing downward and positioned below the 7th bullish candle. The price is at a support level, where it had reversed earlier. So, I entered a buy trade on the 8th candle. Was this the right decision? Yes. This was the correct trade. Here's why. The 3rd and 4th bearish candles were weak doji candles, which signals that the downtrend is losing strength. A bullish 7th candle after weak bearish candles suggests a possible reversal. The zigzag confirmation and support level made this setup even stronger. Now, let's patiently wait for the result of this trade. And look at that. We won this trade. Important things to remember: if weak doji candles appear in a trend, it means the trend is weakening. A bullish 7th candle after multiple bearish candles can indicate a reversal. The zigzag indicator should confirm the trade direction. Taking a buy trade at support and a sell trade at resistance increases accuracy. That's how this 6 candle 1-minute strategy works. When used correctly with the right settings and confirmations, it can be highly effective. Oops! I took a sell trade on the wrong candle here. The setup was correct, but I entered 1 candle late. That's okay. Mistakes happen, and what's important is learning from them. We'll move on and look for the next perfect trade setup. And here it is. We have 5 consecutive bullish candles forming an uptrend. The 6th candle is a weak doji, signaling that the trend may be losing strength. Sellers have already entered twice during this uptrend. The 7th candle turns bearish, showing sellers are taking control. The Zig Zag indicator is pointing upwards and positioned right above the 7th bearish candle. This means the trend could reverse, making it a great spot for a sell trade. So, I'm taking a sell trade here, with a 1-minute expiry. Now let's wait for the trade result. And we won this trade. This is why following the strategy rules and waiting for the right setup is so important. Now, as promised, let me show you the exact settings for the Zig Zag indicator so you can set it up correctly on your chart. Use these settings for accurate signals. Deviation 1, depth 5, and backstep 3. Why these settings? They help the Zig Zag indicator react quickly to market movements. They filter out unnecessary price noise, keeping signals clear and precise. With these settings, the indicator gives accurate confirmations for the sixth candle strategy. Here we go again. 6 consecutive bullish candles have formed. In between, 2 weak doji candles appeared. This signals a possible trend reversal. The 7th candle is bearish, showing that sellers are stepping in. The zigzag indicator is pointing upwards and positioned right above the 7th candle. This is a strong signal for a sell trade, so I entered a 1-minute sell trade based on this setup. Now let's wait for the result, and we won this trade. This proves once again that following the strategy rules and waiting for the right confirmations leads to success. Key takeaways from today's session: weak doji candles in a strong trend often signal a reversal. A bearish candle after multiple bullish candles is a great confirmation for a sell trade. The zigzag indicator helps identify the best trade setups. Discipline and patience are key to consistent trading success. Did you find this video helpful? Give it a thumbs up to support the channel. Share it with fellow traders so they can learn this strategy too. Subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss future strategies and live trading sessions. Tell me in the comments, which strategy do you want to see next? Do you have any questions about today's setup? I'll be back soon with more powerful strategies and live trading sessions to help you trade with confidence. Stay disciplined, trade responsibly, and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!